Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have the iPhone 10 and I'll be showing you how to fix the dynamic wallpapers that are stuck like this. They don't want to move. Even in the home screen, they don't want to move. The first thing I actually went on the Apple support app and talked with the Apple employee. They couldn't help. And then I was like, I'll turn off low power mode. And then that fixed it. I was like, whoa, that fixed it. And now it moves. Oh, it's still on. See, now it moves. Even on the lock screen. And that's it. Now it moves. Yeah. Hope this helped you guys. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see you in the next video. Peace out.